Hello students, I, Dr. Anuradha More, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, Progressive Education Societies, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune. Student, today we are going to discuss the experiment, that is simple staining. Aim of the today's experiment is to study the bacterial morphology by using simple staining method. Learning objectives: to perform a simple staining procedure and to compare the morphological shapes and arrangement of bacterial cell. In simple staining, this is the method of staining in which bacteria are stained by using single stain. Simple staining is also called monochrome staining or positive staining. Example of simple stain are methylene blue, safranin, malachite green, basic fuchsin and crystal violet. In simple staining procedure, the cells are uniformly stained. Principle of simple staining. A stain has ability to bind a cellular component. This ability depends upon the charges present on cellular component and charges present on chromophore group of the stain. Bacteria has large number of carboxylic group on its surface and these carboxylic groups has negative charge. When this carboxylic group carry out ionization reaction, it shows COO minus and H plus ions. That is, COOH is equal to COO minus plus H plus ion. In nature, these H plus ions are present on cell surface and further replaced by other positively charged ion like sodium or potassium. Now when these simple stains are used, it has chloride group. For example, if the stain is malachite green, it will carry out dissociation and gives free radicals. That is, MgCl is equal to Mg plus and Cl minus ion. Now this free Mg plus ions give positive charge on chromophore group. When this stain is applied to a cell, this positively charged Mg plus ions replace the potassium and sodium ion present on cell surface. Thus, an ionic bond is formed between positively charged Mg plus ions and cell surface. Thus, it results in staining of cell. Reagents and equipments used for simple staining. We can use different stains like methylene blue, crystal violet, malachite green, etc. And the equipments which we required, that is Bunsen burner, inoculating loop, staining tray, microscope, lens paper, bibulous paper, glass slide, etc. Procedure for simple staining. A clean grease-free slide is taken. How to make this grease-free slide? It is made by first washing the slide with detergent, wiping the excess water, and the slide is passed through flame. On this grease-free slide, smear is made by using sterile wire loop and cell suspension. This slide is allowed to air dry. After air drying, this slide is rapidly passed through a flame for 3 to 4 times for heat fixation. After heat fixation, the slide is passed on the staining rack and flooded with a particular stain. And this stain is allowed to react for 3 minutes. Further, the slide is washed under running water. The slide is air dried and observed under oil immersion. Here we can see overview of simple staining procedure. First, spread culture in a thin film over the slide. Allow it to get air dry. Then by passing the slide through flame for heat fixation. Then fluid with stain. Then rinse with the running water and air dry. After that, by placing the drop of oil on a slide, examine with 100x objective. Here we can see the application of simple staining. Simple staining procedure stain the bacteria easily and helps in observation under microscope. It is useful in preliminary studies of morphological characters of cell, that is its size, shape and arrangement. Now here we can see how to interpret the bacteria by using simple staining. We are able to see the bacteria shape, that is as it is cocci shape, rod shape or spiral shape. We are able to identify. Then if suppose it is cocci shape, then how it arrangement is there, which I have shown over here, that is single cocci, then diplococci, streptococci, staphylococci. Means here we are able to identify the arrangement of cocci shaped bacteria by using simple staining technique. Here we can see how we are going to observe the image under microscope. For the bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus, which is cocci shape, and E. coli, which is a rod shape bacteria.